gem of a Corolla there. Hey mate.
Hey mate.
Well, we skipped forward a little bit, to be fair, haven't we?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Life's got in the way. Busy. So a little update. Frame's been to sandblasting. Where'd it get blasted, Liam?
Over a dog.
Yeah. Dude, it's a bit low. Can you raise it up a bit for me? Shiny. Nice chassis. Good time frame on this yet?
I reckon it's supposed to be done by March. Yeah. But we'll see. Don't want to rush it.
End of March. 1st of March.
Just March, I think so.
So the motor's in for the final time, eh? Staying in?
Yeah.
You just gotta do the turbos and stuff?
Just turbo drains, turbo feeds. Not really too much else. Just gotta put the intercooler in, radiator in.
Oh yeah. And you're just mounting the, what was it, the AC compressor? Condenser.
Condenser. And then we gotta try to plug it in somehow. But we'll figure that out.
Mean.
Gotta figure out how this dryer fits up and everything. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Frame looks good.
Yeah, it looks alright, eh?
Yeah. Very nice.
Paint job's come out pretty good too.
Did it go down to big paint? Oh.
They did all the sandblasting and painting. It's good.
Greg Smith's, is it?
Yeah, I think that's his name.
Blasters? Yeah. Oh, so they painted it too, eh? Sweet.
And then, yeah, got to put a drawer in the back there, pretty much above your head. And then
that's right.
box in the front here.
Yeah.
That'll support all the batteries and air tank and stuff. And then
Is it the same box that was in there?
No, we
can do another one.
aluminium one and
Oh yeah.
make it lighter.
And then build the exhausts.
Already done.
Oh
Yeah.
sweet.
Just need to plumb them up. They exit out there.
That's right.
So they come along. The muffler sits underneath the chassis here and come along.
Yeah.
And then straight out the side.
Yep.
Both sides.
3 inch. Is it 3 inch? 3.5?
Yeah, 3 inch. 3.5 tips, 3.5 mufflers. Still need to do like final sort of mock up on the turbos and stuff.
Oh
Just
yeah.
like get everything lined up and perfect.
Yeah.
But there's no point doing that until we've got everything plumbed in and
Yeah.
fittings and everything done.
Yeah, that's for sure.
But it's going pretty smoothly at the moment. Very smoothly.
Yeah, I saw a few posts pop up on the gram, and I was like, damn, need to get in there, get some footage.
It's pretty
I was
cool.
just smashing it out.
Yeah. Got to.
Yeah.
It's just pretty much final put up stuff. AC, I'll just show you guys.
Has he got to go to get interior done too?
Yeah. He's putting. Oh, we've got the seat.
That's right, got that seat there. It's going to match up the.
We'll do another little clip on
Yeah.
interior stuff.
Yeah, I have to.
What the plan is.
Yeah. It's all about these bloody wheels. Far out. Love
Yeah.
those.
We still need to run around with the camber adjustment on the top. Yeah, just that was me this morning, just putting up the AC pump. Need to get the alternator all sorted. The valve obviously.
It's going to tuck in underneath there, is it?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, not much can come up here because of all
Yeah.
these headers and stuff. And then have to figure out power steering. So we've probably done put an electric power steering pump in.
Oh yeah. Do you know what kind you're going to run, or
Huh?
do you know what kind you're going to run?
Nah, I'm trying to look for one at the moment. But yeah, plumb that in the side here somewhere. And then we need to figure out a transcooler. So we might stick that in the other wheel arch or something. Or down the back by that condenser
Oh yeah.
on the opposite side.
Yeah.
Yeah, put a couple of fans on them, and that should be sweet down there. Just makes the engine bay look a lot nicer.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
What's that steering rack? Is that like a?
That's a height steering rack.
Oh, that's right.
It's
Yep.
just a kit.
We sort of went over that last time, eh?
Yeah. So yeah, got the wheelwoods on this time. All the backs plumbed up. We got lines coming, brake lines coming for this one.
Yeah.
Need them a bit longer.
What size are those rotors?
Oh, good question.
14.
16 I think.
Really?
6-pot.
And you made all these up?
Yeah, made everything. Only thing I didn't make is those headers, but I had to chop them back and
Yeah.
make it all fit.
Nice.
Yeah. Those all have beanies on them, so you won't see that
Yeah. Yeah.
sort of rust, that heat rust. Jets. Yeah, these aren't the rock covers that are staying on it. They're just
yeah.
like fill-in ones.
Yeah. Keep it all closed up. Cool, man. Very cool. I'll let you
Carry on.
carry on.
Yeah.
Thanks, Liam, for the update,
That's all right.
mate. There you have it, a little bit of an update. So it sounds like I've got a bit of a timeline to get this done. So, yeah, looking good. Right, that's just a quick little update on the Apache. Haven't had much time or anything to do any footage, so we'll catch you on the next one. Keep you updated. Cheers.